Hello guys, in this short and basic video, I will show you how to create a page border in Word document. So we will learn how to create a page border in just few clicks. First one, select design, then page borders. Here select box, select from here style, select here color, select here width. You can add any art. You can apply the setting for all document, this section, first page only, this section, all except first page, then click on OK. Like this. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.